If you wonder what I'm doing with the hot pan, because I only have one burner, right here in the front, this thing is metal, so I can put that there. And I got a ton of comment, people like, Emmy, are you going to do the same system that you have in your van with the little butane stove? And my answer in my last live was, yes, I will. It doesn't bother me, my butane stove, but someone mentioned to me, you know, you're gonna have enough power to put like electric stove in your van. And I was like, oh yeah? I know I'm gonna have a good size power, but yeah, apparently I will have like plenty enough to do that. Especially that I always like take me, I don't know, 10-15 minutes to make food. And I could save on butane, so maybe I'm gonna have like both, maybe an electric stove, and maybe the rest, or if I'm getting low on power or whatever, I can take my butane. I'm gonna have a boat. We'll see. Making tea number 2 because we need energy today, and I'm craving something sweet. Probably wonder what it is. This is maple butter. Maple sugar butter. This is one of the things that I wish all of you will have the chance to try. And I kind of feel very privileged to have access to this. This is, yeah, maple syrup butter. It's not made with butter, for people to wonder. It's really cook maple syrup, you cook longer, you stir, and you make some creamy butter. It kind of almost like a fudge. Soft, very soft fudge. This is so good. This was in my freezer since I left Quebec, and I unfreeze it, and I knew right away it doesn't last long because I just scoop like I just did. So good. All right, we're full of sugar. We have another cup of tea, and we're gonna go do a couple things in the van. So I want to remove the trim around the door of the van. What else we need? Oh, the trim in the front two of the cap, the little foamy, I don't know, it looked like a foam. I need to remove that, and hopefully we also gonna get the sound deadening or soundproofing. People don't like when I said sound deadening. Soundproofing, let's put it that way. So I want to finish my soundproofing right now. This is what I want to do. This is what I feel like. I don't want to remove the trim. I want to do soundproofing right now. So that'll be done. We can go to the step number 2 after that, of like duct liner and the installation. Yeah, I just want to do those steps. Alright, so I bring my father little table because I was like, I'm tired of putting things, you know, my knife and all my stuff on the floor, so at least I have a little mini table. I could even swivel the seat and, you know, make myself nice and relax. So today the plan is to remove this board this morning. So I just looked, by the way, on Amazon. My package left at the warehouse, so I'm gonna keep an eye because the gate here is shut on the weekend, so I'm gonna have to probably wait at the gate, but yeah, hopefully I'm not gonna miss them coming here. But during that time I do have to remove this board here, same thing there. I do have to eventually remove the plastic that apparently it's got like, yeah, one wire inside that thing, so I need to remove that. And yes, I can barely touch my ceiling of my own van. Seriously. This is how tall my van is. I can touch it. But I need to stretch. So I need to do that. And what else we need to remove? Oh, I need to remove those trim too as well. I'm gonna keep them, I love it, but I do need to remove them to put sun deadening or insulation I should say. So yeah, and the trim on the door too as well. Yeah, that's the plan, and keep an eye on Amazon and hopefully I'm not gonna miss them. So I don't know how much you guys gonna be able to see. I have lights everywhere trying to make things visible, but I'm gonna remove that trim. I'm not sure how hard it is to remove. I've never done that, but Chrome's get those little plasticky little things. I'm gonna try with that if I can prime and remove those trim. So I have on each side a little trim above, and I need a stool to help me. I'm too short. They put the double side tape on this one. Alright, that's all done now. So the reason of why I've done that is we can also insulate the front cabin too as well. Insulate everything around it too as well. So yeah, that's why I removed those little plasticky, not plastic or foam thing, whatever. I think if I remember, Chrome told me that they remove the front cabin and insulate that area like underneath this too as well. I'm gonna have to double check with him. If you don't know, I don't know what I'm doing. I think everyone know that. But I do have friends, two friends who do van build, and they've been helping Chrome and they've been helping me too via Chrome, and they told me if I need help I can call them too as well. So I'm kind of grabbing all the little bit of information, obviously YouTube YouTuber University too as well. But yeah, so a couple of people mentioned that I put a lot of some deadening on here. This is true, you don't have to put as much as I did. You can put just half the little wall. But I was generous. I don't know. So when I'm gonna receive the rest of my sound deadeling, what I'm gonna do is just plan the rest that I have to put the sheets to make sure that I don't go overboard like here. And if I do have extra, I can go overboard if I feel like it. But yeah, you don't have to. Half the wall is plenty enough. Technically, they already put some in the bottom and a couple little sections at the top, and technically you don't have to put extra, but I just felt to put extra because I felt there was not enough. So it's gonna be silence in my van. All right, this is easy to remove, I think. I don't want to break it. I don't know why, but I don't want to break it. Okay, that's easy. So this is just for the van build. It's gonna be easier to do all my cabinet and framing and everything without this big plastic thing. All right, I am removing, like I said, those plastic door. It took me a minute to understand how those things work. It's just a little pin, then when the pin go in, it just make this end go wider. So yeah, it took me a minute to figure out how that was working, but we got it. So you just need to pop the top there. I'm sure there's van builders got some tools, but that's what I got. So until this is out, like so, and after that the rest come out. Got it. One side done, so I'm gonna be able to soundproofing this and insulate there. And like I say, I think I'm gonna keep the trim. If I want something different, I can choose different, but I think I'm gonna keep them. And my package is coming in a couple of hours. Woohoo! One more door, the sliding door to do, and we're just gonna have to wait for the delivery after that, because I think I prep everything right now that I could. There you go, the last panel. All right, 7 stop away. Woo-hoo. 4 stop away. Woo-hoo. We are the next. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Yay! So this was the brand that I ordered the first time. If you don't know, I ordered one and never arrived. And chrome had a little bit of one left, and yeah, so finally I got the rest. I'm so happy because I do have, I think, all the material for the next probably good week or 2 weeks. I have everything that I need. Sun deadeling, we have enough. Dock liner, insulation, the roofing, the AC to do. So yeah, we're gonna be busy, and I'm still need to order the side windows, and oops, the light turned off. But yeah, a couple of things, but yeah, that's gonna be good. So yeah, those one, oh, I'm flashing right there. Struggling. What are you doing? I think the battery is dying right now. Those one are already pre-cut, so that's gonna save me a little bit of time. And yeah, let's do this. Oh, I like that blue in my van. That's a nice blue. All right, we are all done. So I've done the wheelbase, both sides. Obviously, like I said, we'll have some pod here, so don't worry about this space. It's gonna have some windows, and yeah. So everything's done. We'll have some space for the AC. Look good. Space for the roof vent, and I had 0 left. I use every little thing that I had. If you want to do this in a small budget or don't want to put too much but still want to do a little bit, I will do the actual wheelbase because that's a lot of noise, and maybe grab a little extra if you have some big panel, depending on the brand of your van. They didn't put any from the actual, like when they build the van, so I would have put, if I didn't have any window, I would have put at least one there. Like the back door, they didn't have on the back door. The ceiling, as you can see here, they had some, and I put a little bit of extra. But yeah, if you just want to be a little bit tighter budget, we don't want to spend too much on that, wheelbase definitely. And if you have some big panel that you want to cover, that would be my little recommendation. So I guess this light. So I guess we can officially say that step number 1 is done. I don't know how many steps I have to do on my van. I probably do not want to know. But step number 1, doing the soundproofing, dandling, whatever you want to call it, it's done. We'll remove a couple of trims and all this. So we're ready for step number 2, which will be the duct liner, which will be, I think, in the next video. I need to regroup, get some energy. I think that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. But day 2, which all of this should have been done on day 1, but I didn't have enough of some dandling, so we got it now. Miss Kitty feeling a little lovely right now. I knew it. Maybe tomorrow you can play the shop. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm happy that this first step is over. Like I said, installation and all this, and after that, I mean, the fun part's gonna start. Framing and putting the AC unit and all those things. Yep. Are you excited, Kitty? Are you? I am. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will leave you with Miss Kitty, who's gonna give you, I'm sure, a ton of kiss. Oof. Kitty, I need to brush you. Can we have a little kiss? Where are you going? Can we have a kiss? Oh, thank you. Thank goodness. You're always happy when I come back home. Thank you. I'm happy to be back home. Thank you.